Good morning. Today is Thursday, and I want to go over a little bit of your Reader's Workshop lesson. Your teaching point today is that readers notice what the character is saying by thinking about why the character's quote is important. And on Tuesday, we talked a little bit about what a quote is. A quote is something that a character says directly. So you're going to be looking today for two quotes, and you're going to be deciding why those quotes are so important and what it tells you about that character. So we're going to go back to our mentor text, Days with Frog and Toad. I'm going to read the entire first chapter to you. It's called Tomorrow. And after that, I'm going to choose a quote that I feel is important and share with you why it is. So here we go. Tomorrow. Toad woke up. Drat, he said. This house is a mess. I have so much work to do. Frog looked through the window. Toad, you are right, said Frog. It is a mess. Toad pulled the covers over his head. I will do it tomorrow, said Toad. Today, I will take life easy. Frog came into the house. Toad, said Frog, your pants and jacket are lying on the floor. Tomorrow, said Toad, from under the covers. Your kitchen sink is filled with dirty dishes, said Frog. Tomorrow, said Toad. There is dust on your chairs. Tomorrow, said Toad. Your windows need scrubbing, said Frog. Your plants need watering. Tomorrow, cried Toad. I will do it all tomorrow. Toad sat on the edge of his bed. Blah, said Toad. I feel down in the dumps. Why? Asked Frog. I am thinking about tomorrow, said Toad. I am thinking about all of the many things that I will have to do. Yes, said Frog. Tomorrow will be a very hard day for you. But Frog, said Toad, if I pick up my pants and jacket right now, then I will not have to pick them up tomorrow, will I? No, said Frog. You will not have to. Toad picked up his clothes. He put them in the closet. Frog, said Toad, if I wash my dishes right now, then I will not have to wash them tomorrow, will I? No, said Frog. You will not have to. Toad washed and dried his dishes, and he put them in the cupboard. Frog, said Toad, if I dust my chairs and scrub my windows and water my plants right now, then I will not have to do it tomorrow, will I? No, said Frog, you will not have to do any of it. Toad dusted his chairs, he scrubbed his windows, he watered his plants. There, said Toad, now I feel better. I am not in the dumps anymore. Why? Asked Frog. Because I have done all that work, said Toad. Now I can save tomorrow for something that I really want to do. What is that? Asked Frog. Tomorrow, said Toad, I can just take life easy. Toad went back to bed. He pulled the covers over his head and fell asleep. So that was the end of the chapter. And while I think that there were a lot of really nice quotes, the quote I'm going to choose is this. So this is Toad speaking. And he says, now I can save tomorrow for something that I really want to do. So that would be the quote that I would write down on my template. And the reason I think that that quote is important is because it kind of shows that Toad learned a lesson. So he decided, wow, if I get all my work done today, then tomorrow I can have some fun. So that's why I would select that quote, and that's why I think that quote is important, because it showed that Toad learned a lesson. So in your Reader's Workshop today, I want you to find two quotes from your character, and I want you to share why you think those quotes are important. All right.